This is the DAE Cloud Metering Installation Guide for DEM Series. Products you'll need are any DEM meter, a CC2030 Gateway, UL2464 cable, Cat5e cable, and power adapter. Step 1. Connect the UL2464 cable to the DEM meter with the CC2030 Gateway. Step 2. Connect the CC2030 Gateway to router using the Cat5e cable. Connect the power adapter to the CC2030 Gateway, then you're good to go. Side note: CC2030 should be close within 30 feet to the router. The UL2464 cable can be extended to 2,000 feet between CC2030 Gateway and meters. This is the end of the installation guide. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@daecontrols.com or refer to our website www.daecontrols.com.